Look, those red and white squares. Who are they? The Croatians.
And kingdoms bled, but never bowed, they fought instead. They stood on walls of ancient stone, where eagles fell and lions roamed. 1,000 years they've held the line, their blood the seal of freedom's sign. Who are the Croatians? Hear the thunder roar. A tiny nation standing proud forevermore. From the rivers to the shining Adriatic shore, guardians of Europe, they'll fall nevermore. From Krepova's plains to Sigurd's flame, heroes carved eternal name. Zrinski fell, but not in vain. For every loss they rose again. When dark clouds swallowed their sky, they fought, they prayed, refused to die. Through centuries of sword and chain, they broke the yoke and lived again. Then came the storm, sun, hallelujah. The wind of justice, fierce and pure. They took their homeland back with pride. No longer slaves, they turned the tide. Who are the Croatians? Sons of flame and stone. Every tear and battle made their land their own. From Vukovar to the hills of Nen, their victory song will never dim.
Dad, I think I understand now. Good son, never forget.
Freedom.